How many of you here know that you have a story worth telling? Raise your hand. Every hand in the room should be up. All you got a story worth telling. And I got news for you. Not only do you have a story worth telling, but you also all have a story worth living as well.
Especially the fear of kind of feeling purposeless and having nothing fears. But if you just keep going.
Welcome to the show tonight. How are we feeling? Yeah? Come around the fire and tell your story kind of feels.
As it should be.
Yeah, so that is what we've created. That's where storyteller sessions stemmed from. Be open to the idea that at some point tonight, maybe what someone else says might stir a story inside of you. Really grateful
to a little piece of mine. Thank you.
Got something from everybody's story that like empowers me.
Yeah.